Hello and welcome back to Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a full spectrum and infrared webcam by simply removing the IO cut filter to create footage that looks like this. Let's get started. I have right here a very simple webcam that only cost about $20, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and modify it by removing the IO cut filter. Let's get started. First, I'm going to remove the base of the webcam, and underneath that will be a screw. Pull it off just like this. And there are 3 little screws. Remove the 3 screws. And now I can open up the webcam, and as you can see, it's a very simple circuit. Pull the circuit out of the housing. And as you can see, there are 2 screws that is holding down the lens of the webcam. Remove the screws. Carefully remove the lens because it's glued into place, and carefully don't damage any surface mount components. And there, it comes off just like this, and the sensor is now revealed, and you can see the little IR cut filter inside. Just simply go and pop out the IR cut filter, and now it's a full spectrum camera. And now simply place the lens back onto the circuit, screw it back into place. And now take the entire circuit and put it back inside the housing. And the IR cut filter is now removed, and now I have a full spectrum webcam. This right here is an infrared filter lens, and this infrared filter lens blocks out all spectrum of light except for the infrared light. If I take this and place it in front of the full spectrum camera, you'll be able to block out all forms of light except for the infrared light. Now let's go ahead and test it out. This is what the camera looks like without modifying anything, without moving the IR cut filter. And as you can see, the quality is so-and-so. Problem is, everything is overly exposed. The outside is a little bit too bright. Point the camera over to a shaded area, and it looks a little bit better. So I wait for the sun to move a little bit to be able to see what it really looks like with less light. And as you can see, it looks very interesting and very basic. And now let's see how this looks after modifying it by removing the IR cut filter, and this is what it looks like in full spectrum. As you can see, it looks very similar, because indoors there's not much infrared light coming in, nor UV light. Place the camera outside, and there's a lot of UV light and a lot of infrared light, which makes it overly exposed during the day. Pointing it during the shaded area, still very exposed. And now place the infrared filter in front of the camera, and this is what everything looks like in the infrared spectrum. It looks very interesting, very different, and very eerie looking. And this is what the world looks like in infrared. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own DIY full spectrum and infrared webcam by simply modifying the webcam by removing the IO cut filter and using an infrared filter. Thank you for watching Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.